CleverTrend AI is the latest AI software that's just been released, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're new to the world of AI software, or if you're just looking for an edge in your digital marketing efforts, you'll want to stick around for this review. I'll explain what sets CleverTrend AI apart from others, how it works, and why it might be the perfect tool for you. And if you're interested, you can try this software for free by clicking the first link below. First off, CleverTrend AI is designed to make your digital marketing strategy smarter and more efficient. Unlike traditional tools that require you to spend hours tweaking campaigns or analyzing data, CleverTrend AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to automatically optimize your strategies. It identifies patterns in real time, adapts to market shifts, and makes data-backed decisions that could significantly improve your ROI. One of the standout features is its ability to personalize campaigns. Whether you're running email marketing, social ads, or content marketing, CleverTrend AI tailors messages and strategies based on your audience's behavior. It's not just about broad targeting, it's about creating a personalized experience that resonates with the people you're trying to reach. This level of customization is crucial in today's competitive digital space, where consumers are bombarded with generic ads. Another key benefit is its real-time analytics. The software doesn't just provide data, it helps you understand it. It pulls insights directly from the campaigns you're running, so you don't need to manually sift through endless spreadsheets. CleverTrend AI provides actionable reports that highlight what's working and what isn't, helping you make quick decisions without the guesswork. If you're familiar with A/B testing, CleverTrend AI takes it to the next level. Rather than manually creating multiple variations of a campaign, the software automatically tests different versions and optimizes them in real time. This means your campaigns are always improving and never stagnant, saving you time and effort while maximizing results. And it's not just about marketing. CleverTrend AI also offers tools for lead generation. With its ability to segment and analyze customer data, you can easily identify high-value leads and focus your efforts on the ones most likely to convert. This is perfect for businesses looking to streamline their sales pipeline and increase conversion rates. CleverTrend AI is also incredibly easy to integrate with your existing tools. Whether you're using email platforms, social media, or CRM software, it connects seamlessly, allowing you to get started with minimal setup. This user-friendly approach makes it accessible even for those who aren't tech experts. Finally, one of the best things about CleverTrend AI is its scalability. Whether you're a small business just starting out, or a large enterprise with complex marketing needs, this software adapts to your business's growth. It offers flexible pricing options based on your requirements, making it an attractive choice for companies of all sizes. So, to wrap it up, CleverTrend AI is an incredibly powerful tool that brings advanced machine learning and AI to digital marketing. Whether you're looking to optimize your campaigns, automate A/B testing, or improve lead generation, CleverTrend AI provides a comprehensive solution. And remember, if you want to give it a try, you can test it for free through the first link in the description. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've listed my top recommended ones in the description below, so feel free to explore and see which works best for you.